Civics. Preamble of Indian Constitution. Preamble is the part and parcel of our Constitution. It is like a heart. It is the soul of the Indian Constitution. We call it as soul because that in which man thinks, feels, desires. It is a living being forever. The ideals are the living being forever. That's why it is called as soul. Even the man dead, the soul will remain. That's why Justice Hinayatullah called it as the soul of the Constitution. It is the identity card of the Constitution. So it acts as identity card. It is an identity to our Constitution. It reflects the philosophy embedded in our Constitution. Philosophy means the word philosophy derived from philos logos. Philosophy means the thirst for the knowledge. We searched and we gathered many information. We are hungry in borrowing the ideas from other constitution. That's why the thirst for knowledge, it is embedded in our constitution with the help of the preamble. It reveals the aims, aspirations, objectives of the Indian people. So aim is nothing but point to be hit or direct or intend. It expresses the intention of Indian people. It expresses the aspirations. Aspirations are nothing but ambitions, objectives, goals, internal and external. That's why the preamble reveals the aims, aspirations, and objectives of Indian people. The preamble is a key to open the minds of the makers. Making is nothing but formation. The formation leaders' ideas are opened and their main minds are opened with the help of the preamble. So preamble is the summary of our objectives resolution. So preamble expresses the worldwide ideas of socialistic, secular. These concepts are included with the help of the 42nd Amendment. These two words are added to the preamble. Socialistic means relating to the society. Communists and all are equal feeling expressed through the communists and the socialistic ideas. In the same way, secular, the concept of secular means where there is no state religion or not religious, free for selecting the religion, is known as a secular country or secular concept. So through the 42nd Amendment, we have added socialistic and secular concepts to our preamble. It reflects the fundamental constitutional values. So preamble reflects the fundamental constitutional values like fundamental rights and fundamental duties, etc. It spells the nature of the state. With the help of this preamble, we can estimate or forecast or tell the nature of the state whether it is a democratic country or other, fraternity, equality, liberty are all the factors and concepts, whether it is a socialistic or welfare state, and for other concepts also, it paves way. So preamble is like an summary, index, theme, synthesis of total constitution. So it also expresses the sovereign, democratic, republic, equality. Equality means there is no discrimination. Legal, it means the independent judiciary. The social, political, economical aspects, equal opportunities, fraternity. Fraternity means brotherhood feeling. Dignity of the individuals were expressed with the help of the preamble. So, it is the symbol for unity and integrity of the nation. India is a democratic country. So, in democratic country, there is an independent judiciary, justice, liberty. It is a it is absence of discrimination, freedom. So, preamble is the index. It spells the nature of the state and also the creation of the country, and it sympathizes and emphasizes on unity and dignity of labor and nation. So the preamble plays very important thing. So Justice Inayatullah expressed his view that it is the soul of the constitution. It is like an identity card to the constitution. It is in it the philosophy of our constitution was expressed. It tells us the aims, ambitions, aspirations, objectives of Indian people, and it is the treasure of knowledge of the constitutional makers. It is nothing but the objectives resolution. It expresses the famous concepts of socialistic, secular values, and it spells the nature of the state, whether it is a socialistic or democratic or any type of country. So sovereign means unquestionable power. Nobody should ask the decisions made by the sovereign. So nobody questions your decision. Democracy, we are following representative system, so it is useful for representative system. Demos gratios, the power to the people, and we are following universalization of the adult franchise. And republic, what is republic? The head of the state. That means the president of India was not an hereditary person. He will elect for only for the period of 5 years through the electoral college. It is nothing but the representative system or parliamentary system election, and all are equal before law, and the directive principles are included in the constitution through directive principles for welfare state establishment. And the preamble is very important one, and it expresses the total theme of the constitution, and it is the scanned copy of